Welcome. In this updated guide, we will explore how to fix Snapchat stories not uploading. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve issues with uploading stories on Snapchat. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can hinder the uploading process. 2. Restart the Snapchat app. Restart the Snapchat app to refresh its functionality and potentially resolve any issues causing stories not to upload. 3. Check Snapchat's server status. Verify the status of Snapchat servers to rule out any server-related issues affecting story uploads. 4. Delete and re-upload the story. If a story fails to upload, try deleting it and then re-uploading it to see if it goes through successfully. 5. Remove Gifs and Emojis from the story. Removing GIFs and emojis from the story may help in cases where their presence is causing upload failures. 6. Clear your app. Cache. Clear the app. Cache of the Snapchat app on your device to refresh data storage and potentially fix upload issues. 7. Update. Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat app is up to date by installing any available updates from the App Store, as updates often include bug fixes. 8. Update your phone's software. Ensure your phone's software is updated to the latest version to maintain compatibility with the Snapchat app. 9. Uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. If problems persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app on your device to start fresh. 10. Use Snapchat on a web browser. Access Snapchat through a web browser as an alternative method to upload stories. 11. Post from another device. Try posting the story from another device to troubleshoot if the issue is device-specific. 12. Contact Snapchat support. If all else fails, reach out to Snapchat support for further assistance and troubleshooting. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Snapchat stories not uploading. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you share your stories seamlessly on Snapchat.